Everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install components in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. Components are plugins that add new features and improve the functionality of foobar2000. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open foobar2000 on your computer. To install a component, you first need to download it from the official foobar2000 components page or another trusted source. Most components are downloaded as a f8How component *** file. Once the download is complete, return to foobar2000. Click File at the top of the window, then select **preferences**. In the Preferences window, click **components** from the menu on the left. Now click the **install** button. Browse to the folder where you downloaded the component file, select the f8How component *** file, and click **open**. The component will now appear in the list of pending installations. Click Apply * to continue. Foobar2000 will ask you to restart the application to finish installing the new component. Click **OK**, then close and reopen foobar2000. After restarting, go back to *file preferences and components to confirm that the new component has been installed successfully. You can now start using the new features provided by the component, whether it's support for additional audio formats, new playback options, or interface improvements. And that's how you install components in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.